In a world that feels increasingly chaotic, feeling overwhelmed has become the new normal. But the key to calm isn't just in your head, it's in your gut. Your body produces 90% of its own serotonin. This internal chemical balance is under constant attack. Chronic stress is proven to disrupt these neurotransmitters. And our attempts to cope by suppressing feelings actually create more internal chaos. Here we'll give you a blueprint to rebuild emotional balance from the biology up, so you can work with your body, not against it. Let's start with the enemy, chronic stress. It physically impairs your prefrontal cortex, the part of your brain for clear thinking and emotional control. Faced with this, many of us default to emotional suppression, thinking it's strength. But psychology shows it's the opposite. It forces feelings underground. This internal pressure cooker leads to resentment, isolation, and can even manifest as physical health problems. It's a recipe for burnout, not balance. The healthy alternative is regulation, which starts with a skill called interoception. This is your ability to sense your internal body signals. A faster heart rate, a tight chest, these are early warnings. Developing interoception means you notice these signals before the emotion becomes overwhelming. Noticing is the first step. But how do you actively switch your body from fight or flight to rest and digest? There's a biological master switch you can flip. That switch is your vagus nerve. It's the main highway of your parasympathetic nervous system. When activated, it tells your entire body it's safe to relax. This isn't just a mental trick. Activating this nerve through deep, slow breathing directly counteracts stress chemicals. It's a physiological command for calm. Deep inside your brain is another key player, a region called Area 32. Neuroscientists see it as a relay station between your thinking and feeling brain. This area maintains emotional equilibrium. The practices we're about to cover directly strengthen its function. You are literally training your brain's balance center. With biology on our side, let's add a powerful psychological tool: self-compassion. This isn't self-pity, it's treating yourself with kindness in hard times. Why does this work? Research shows it significantly reduces emotional reactivity. Instead of fueling stress with self-criticism, you soothe it. So how do we apply this daily? The answer is micro-habits. Example 1. The moment you wake, before checking your phone, take 3 conscious breaths. Example 2. While brushing your teeth, think of one thing you're grateful for. This practice can rewire your attention and reduce anxiety. Example 3. When an emotion rises, pause and label it. This is anxiety or this is frustration, without judgment. This simple act decreases its intensity. Example 4. Step outside for 5 minutes. Studies show this can lower your primary stress hormone, cortisol. These aren't just nice ideas. Each one is a small intervention with a measurable positive biological impact on your stress response system. But we need to bust a common myth. You do not need a silent room or a perfect life to feel calm. Chasing perfection is a form of stress itself. True inner peace isn't feeling nothing. It's emotional clarity. It's the ability to feel anger or sadness without letting those emotions hijack your system. A powerful skill for this is radical acceptance. This means acknowledging reality exactly as it is without fighting it. Pain is inevitable, but suffering is optional. Suffering is the resistance we add to pain. Acceptance short-circuits this, freeing up energy to problem solve. So balance means changing our relationship with feelings, not eliminating them. But what's the non-negotiable foundation that makes all of this possible? Remember the gut-brain axis? Poor self-care, neglecting sleep, nutrition, and rest, is a direct assault on this foundation, making balance nearly impossible. Regular activity and consistent sleep aren't just health tips. They regulate stress hormones that directly support brain regions like Area 32, our balance hub. This is where it all connects. Interoceptive awareness is your body telling you you're stressed. Your mind decides where to focus your energy. The blueprint is clear. Build a resilient biological foundation with self-care. Train internal skills like interoception. Apply targeted micro-habits to manage chaos. Calm in a chaotic world isn't an accident, and it isn't something you find. It's a state you consciously build, one small informed action at a time. You now have the blueprint. The goal isn't perfection, it's about consistent, compassionate practice. So let's start now. Don't just watch, do. Commit to one micro-habit. Right now, take 3 slow, deep breaths with me. Inhale and exhale. The power to regain your calm in a chaotic world has been inside you all along. You just needed the blueprint to access it.